May nagsabi na ba sa'yo na you're not good enough? That you are nothing and that you are a complete failure? Or di naman kaya, ikaw mismo sa sarili mo ang nagsasabi ng mga self-defeating statements na ito? Mahalaga na ma-realize mo that what you believe about yourself is powerfully influential. Kung naniniwala ka na ikaw ay walang silbi, walang alam at walang kakayahan, you will definitely see no progress in your own life. Kung naniniwala ka that you are unworthy, unlovable, and that there's nothing special about you, you will settle for less and deprive yourself of the real joy and fulfillment that relationships bring. You see, how you see yourself dictates your life. Ang mga negatibong kaisipan tungkol sa iyong sarili can greatly sabotage every aspect of your life. Thus, it is highly important that you replace those negative perceptions of yourself with positive ones. Realize that you are enough. Walang kulang sa'yo. Nilikha ka ng Panginoon na may angking positibong katangian. Binigyan ka niya ng kakayahan to succeed in what He has called you to do. May kakayahan ka para patuloy na i-improve ang sarili for you to be able to function to your maximum potential and be the best version of yourself. You are special. Do you know that in all of God's creations, we are His masterpiece? Kung sa painting pa, ito yung pinaka-special, extraordinary or exceptional, pinakamahal, and that's what you are. So stop feeling like you're a nobody at walang halaga. You are unique. There's no one exactly like you. You have something valuable to offer to this world that nobody else can. So stop trying to pretend to be like anyone else. Just be your true best self. Don't be a fake one. You have a purpose that only you can fulfill. Sabi nga sa isang quotation, you are the most qualified person on the face of the earth to do what you are destined to do. So cheer up, get back to yourself because you matter to this world.